Hello all. In this video we'll be doing a short review of our product Pump Guru. I'll be showing a small brief about how this thing works. Okay, so basically this particular device controls the pump, water pump. Okay, so inside the panel we have all the circuitry. Okay, and this is how panel layout looks like. Okay, this is how wiring diagram looks like. This is the input, RYB 3-phase, pump 1, pump 2 output, pump 1, pump 2 output, UVW, sensors, level sensors, and this is tank bottom sensor, contactor circuitry, this is CPU circuitry. Okay. So in the front we have a display for various menu and for various control purpose. So there are 4 boxes in the display. This thing gives face-to-face voltage, displays face-to-face voltage, whereas this shows phase current, RYB current, as you can see, B, then it will show R, similarly Y. This is a small graphic of a pump. If your pump is working, this particular will rotate, and the graphic will be shown correspondingly. This window shows which pump is moving right now, pump 1, pump 2, or both, and various notifications will be shown, like if there is a phase fault, overload fault, etc. etc. So one by one we'll see all the stuff. So first thing, this is the menu. Okay, first of all, this is menu key, menu as well as decrement key. This is increment key. This is enter key, where these are start and stop keys. Okay, so let's get started. So menu key, will be entering a menu. So already this is the thing it is showing is setting. We are into setting. Okay, it is blinking. Enter. So first thing, we will be entering a password. Okay, so we will enter password right now. 505 is the password. So to change the digit, we will hit the enter key, 1 2 3 4 like this, 5. From one segment to another segment, we will use shift key or menu key. So 7 segment is changed, and we are incrementing from 1 to 5. Yeah, password is set. I will hit the enter button. Alright, so these are the overload 1 and overload 2 is there. So we'll be setting a maximum current for our pumps. So OL1 is, we have setting it to 5.77. Yeah, we can do the same setting when change the number like this. It's 6.07. Similarly 5 so this is increment decrement, enter. This is for overload 2, that is for pump 2 current, overload current will be setting again 29.8. This is a dry run. So dry run means if you have a water, if you don't have a water but your pump is still running, we say it is a dry run. So this is the percentage, basically percentage of overload. So we have set 5.7 in the OL1. So the 45% of that, we will get a notification that pump is running in a dry situation. Okay, this is a T on, for how much time you have to keep your motor on, and for same incrementing like this, T on, T off. These are in minutes. 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, so on. Similarly T off, when you have to switch it off. This is pump selection. For if you want to select pump 1, you will say 1. Want to select 2, you will say 2. And if you want to select both, you will say 1 2. Okay, we will say both. So these are the reset. If let's say so in this particular menu, if let's say we have set our OL1 as 5.77. If by chance a current is exceeding 5.77, or let's say it is now become 6, so the pump will stop working, as it has got so that is basically a error now, that is overload has occurred. So to switch it on again, we will say our pump 1 is basically switched off. So if we want to restart that pump again, we will say RST1. So this is pump 1 basically, so we'll say restart the pump 1 or reset the pump 1. We'll say enter. So it is now your pump will start working. Okay, so moving to the next menu, we have already done all our setting. Next is we will do auto and manual. So how to shift from one menu to another? So 2 times we will press the menu key, we will say enter. This is auto manual mode. So this, you can see manual mode is flashing. In manual mode we will do, first let's see how to shift to auto mode. So this is how you change from auto to manual. Automatic, on auto mode your pump will work in automatic mode, whereas in manual mode you have to physically start and stop the particular pump. So we will hit the enter in the corresponding mode. So again we are back to original. So shifting to next menu, again we will hit the menu key. So next menu is the alarm notification. So in this menu we will hit the enter button first. So in this menu we will get all the recent errors which has been passed. Let's say the pump 1 is showing overload and pump 2 is showing dry run. So these are the errors which has been occurred in recent time. So the various type of alarms are basically undervolt, undercurrent, phase loss, and overvolt as well, earth fall, and unbalanced load. These are the various alarms which will be displayed if it has occurred. So going into next menu, the next menu is HR, which is nothing but hour. It will display how much time your pump was running. So it is basically in hour mode. Like this, it is 00 because we are not running any pump right now. So that's it from the review. If you have any doubt, you can refer the manual which is provided inside the box. Thank you.